Creating scroll-stopping thumbnails shouldn't take hours. Meet SkySnail, the AI that turns any YouTube link, transcript, or prompt into a 4K thumbnail in seconds. Paste a URL, upload a script, or describe your idea. SkySnail instantly generates click-worthy designs with proven templates for gaming, tech, finance, vlogs, and more. Upload your face once and reuse it everywhere. The AI auto-fits your avatar with perfect expression and placement. Save brand colors, fonts, and custom templates for total consistency. Describe edits in plain language and the AI applies them instantly. Build templates from a reference image and export in 40+ languages for global reach. SkySnail also extracts transcripts, suggests titles, and summarizes your video. Export 4K for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, LinkedIn, X, Threads, every platform you use. Get the lifetime deal on AppSumo, backed by the "We Got Your Back" guarantee. Click below to start shipping thumbnails that actually get clicks.
Today we're checking out SkySnail, an AI-powered thumbnail generator that turns your video content into ready-to-post thumbnails with no watermarks. If you've ever made a thumbnail with an AI tool, you already know the frustration. You get a decent result and then right there in the corner, a watermark. So you upgrade. Then you're re-uploading your face every single time, picking fonts from scratch, and somehow spending 45 minutes on something that should take 2. SkySnail cuts all of that out.